Hi guys, so today what I'm just about to show you is, if I go this way, I've cleaned out my spice drawer. I am reading, if I have it here somewhere, well, I got two books from Amazon. A little bit wobbly today on the camera, guys, sorry. So this one is Ella's plant-based cookbook. Now, I'm not going off meat altogether, but I don't have enough vegetables in my diet. I know I don't. So I've kind of written out and labelled a couple of ones that I want to try. So saying that, there's one more and then I'll show you what I'm doing. Completely decluttering the kitchen, guys. This is 15-minute vegan, and again, I'm just trying to increase the veg intake. So these are actually a lot handier. There's a lot more very quick things after work, or even if you just don't want to spend that much time cooking. So lemon pine pasta I tried, it was absolutely amazing. So if I switch the camera around, you'll see what my kind of desk, or not my desk, my space looks like, and then we can kind of go through everything. So this is what everything looks like at the minute. Now, the only thing I have done, sorry, I just cleaned out the cupboard there, is I have gathered a lot of spices. So you can see I have this cumin, cinnamon, turmeric, chili, two kind of versions of hot chili and chili, garam masala, cumin again, I think this was just another brand, Schwartz, ground ginger, this is something tahini paste, and the reason I've gotten all of these is because it does go through vegetables that if you can't, you know, sometimes they're quite bland, popping in a couple of these, and it does go through which ones to put through in a meal in the book. So yeah, I've been doing that. Got some vegetable stock, and then unlock the flavor from Knorr, and is that direct to pan or made in stock, discover a world of flavour. And then you've just got the mixed herbs here. So I have kind of sorted that so far. This is for my, you know, the detox I used to do. I've added in, I got this on Amazon actually, organic spirulina powder. So I got two for £6 on Amazon. Then I saw these in Tesco. A lot of people, vegetarians, again, I'm not going to go completely veg, but just intake, put in, instead of meat, red lentils cooked. And then I think behind that, I got two for £6 again in Tesco. Black beans kind of go into, I think, curries and things like that. Obviously, that's just my coffee. And you can see I'm still making my way through that. Different kinds of oils I got as well. So this is olive oil extra virgin, and then this is toasted cinnamon. And they weren't very expensive in Tesco, and you do get a lot, guys. Then I've just got some teas I'm sorting out there as well. This is the pasta I used for the pine nut and lemon pasta, and oh my god, guys. It's, I hope I'm pronouncing this right. It's the pappardelle. Taste the difference. And it's really, you have to kind of put it in for 20 minutes, but the thing is, because it's thicker, it does fill you up for longer, and it's pure wheat. So if you have any vegans or you're actually allergic to anything, there isn't egg or anything in that. So yes, over here I'm just getting the green detox ready for later, not the Prosecco. Don't mind that, I got that from a friend at Christmas. That's not for my detox, it's for later. This is just the green detox that I will go through. I think I have it in the video below, so I will link that. So this is what I'm starting on, the first drawer. And if I bring you over here, excuse the wine, guys. It's Shiraz. People have got me over Christmas when they were here, things like that. What I am going to take is this pepper. And there's the salt behind it, and I will add that to kind of the spices. Let's just put the Shiraz over here. Oh, sorry guys. Let's pop the Shiraz. There should be salt somewhere, or maybe I've taken it. This actually peanut butter is for a curry actually, guys. So I will take that down as well. I'm sure oh, I can see it. Okay, so I will pop that down later. Up here is where I keep the cereals and things like that, so I will pop the porridge up there too. So I've cleaned this out, and what I'll do is I'll pop it all in and show you. The first thing I will show you is, remember I went to B&M and I got these, and I think these are quite handy if you've got small spaces. So I do have small spaces. I've got two more that I got, so I am kind of going to put the lentils, then the detox stuff separately. I've got so much rice. I just looked through, guys, the amount of rice I have. I didn't realise. So I've got brown rice that I didn't realise. I've got white rice. Quinoa as well is another red and white. If you are allergic to anything, you do put it in salads too. I hope again that I'm pronouncing that right, guys. And then it goes through everything. If you know, you can kind of look at the back as well. Again, that was Tesco. So yes, I'll start to put it all away. As you can see, I still have extra Westie paper from Christmas. So yeah, I'll start with, and then obviously I just have the garlic behind there as well. And I just got some ginger because apparently for curries, but also drinks, if you chop that up, ginger is actually really good for detoxing as well. So I'll put this all away and I'll show you how I display it then. So far, guys, I have kind of used this first black from B&M box to just contain all the spices I showed you earlier. Then the salt and pepper on top. And what I've tried to do is put everything where I'd reach for it first for dinner. So the two oils that I have so far are the toasted cinnamon and extra olive oil. It's the refined olive oil and virgin olive oil together. Then at the very back I have pastas and rice. And then the lentils. I still have to look up on that book. I want to be able to cook them properly. This is what I've been using as well. Sometimes instead of oil is the extra virgin 100% raw. I've heard so much good things. Coconut oil, and you can use it on your hair and skin apparently too. But I have been using it for healthier cooking in kind of curries and things like that. And I did a 1-pan rice meal, Mexican style, and I used that too. And that's what I've done so far just with this rack. And what I tried to do is go for what I reach for first, so I'm not kind of struggling to get something, and then that way I'm putting everything back and it's not going to be a huge mess again. So now what I'm going to do is go through all things like ginger that I have and garlic, and I'll show you where I put them. So this is the second shelf, and what I've done is combined some just sweet potatoes and some vegetable stocks, but I've kept them separate. And at the very back I've got my cereals, and then I've just got on the side here coffee and tea, bread for toast, and then kind of syrup if I have porridge. Sometimes I have honey or syrup in there. But again, I've gone for things that I reach for first. I always try to do that because then I'm not kind of messing things up at the back again. So yes, I'm starting to get it a bit more organised. So that's just a couple of things that I got for Christmas again. If you see this chutney and marmalade and things like that, I got it as a set. And yeah, so this is what the second one looks like. Again, I am feeling it's starting to become a little bit more organised. You can see I do kind of, usually I just have, if I can, Benefit, Swiss, Alpen, and Easy Oats. And I got all these from Aldi actually, it's a really good deal. Then I get the seeded bread for toast. And then again, just extra things like the garlic is in there, you can see the ginger, and then I've just put some sweet potatoes just because I was trying to make use of this box. So in this last one, guys, it's just things I've got for Christmas. So one of my friends got me a Chianti Prosecco, so I haven't really opened that yet. And then I have just some soft drinks here, and then just the wine that's kind of been left over. It's still in date and everything like that, but obviously I haven't finished it all or anything like that because I usually wait for friends to come over. So that's the last one. So this is the whole drawers all kind of organised now, so I'm quite happy with that. What I'm going to do now is just kind of sort out the kitchen, kind of wipe everything down, and this is the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love to see what you guys do as well. And I'll see you in the next part of the vlog. And then just to end it all off, guys, just in the kitchen vlog, I've just made my detox. I've actually added some spirulina, as you saw when I packed it away. I've put orange, what did I put in? Orange, cucumber, an apple. I didn't have any lemon, so I just popped in an orange instead. So I said that already, didn't I? Avocado, a little bit of spinach, and then the spirulina on top, and added some water. And I'm just going to cool down with that. The cucumber and the orange actually cool down the taste, so I know it probably sounds quite strong, but it's really refreshing, guys. And I've made two just in case I can put some ice in that for later and then have it before work.